This is video number 2 where I introduce you to Seint makeup. It is perfect for maturing skin like mine. It is hydrating but also doesn't sink because we use such a light application. It doesn't sink into the fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm going to start by blending it, and I'm just going to use a light, gentle motion to start from lightest to darkest in each area. So the contour on my forehead, if you want to see why I applied each contour there, you can check out video number 1. So this brush that I'm using today is our shape brush, and I like it for more of a light. There's several ways to apply it, and today the way I applied it by dotting it on my skin does give you a little bit more than if you were to use the brush to apply, but it's still more of a light coverage. So you're still just blending light to dark, and you want to do the contour upwards just to define that. I'm going to go in, blend. So everything is just right here. It's nice. I don't have anything breakable in this one except for a couple different powder eyeshadows. Now I'm going to go into my lip and cheek color, dot it down like this. We have several lip and cheek colors, and that's one of the colors that I let you pick on your own. If you would like more information about this makeup, you can just comment match and I will get back to you and help you pick the right colors for your skin. So that same lip and cheek color just can go right on your lips, just like that. And you are good to go. Like I said, there's several different lips and cheek colors. There's reds and there's like more nudes or browns. So don't forget to comment match and check out my other videos for more information.